Nice. Yeah.
Hello. What's going on? So I'm going to break down. This is a new stock that I've kind of been paying attention to as of recently. It's called Wonderfi Technologies, WNDR, if you could see the ticker there. It is a crypto-related name. I heard Kevin O'Leary start tweeting about that he's an investor in it. And it's funny because I swear Kevin O'Leary, this guy he's a funny guy. Last year, was it last year at the beginning of the year? I forget when it was, but he mentioned that he was an investor in MMED, and that was one of the catalysts that like sent that stock flying. So, and there was ridiculous gains after he mentioned that. Now, I'm not saying that this stock is going to go up just because Kevin O'Leary said that he's a part of it. I do like how it's shaping up from a technical perspective though. So I want to deep dive like what I'm seeing and what I think could potentially come out of it. Be open-minded here, obviously. It could go down. So I have a little bit of a bullish trade idea on it, but it could go down. So manage your risk if you do happen to go into it or whatever like that. Anyways, so what I'm seeing here with this Wndr stock is there is a solid base here at like, you could say it's $2. We're just going to put the line here. It's like right around $2, like right here. And that is kind of our support. It was once resistance, right? We rejected. We broke over and acted as resistance support 1, 2, 3 times, right? So automatically that $2 level looks like it's an area of value. You want to be a buyer around there. So what I like that I'm seeing now is I'm starting to see us coil up in this range. Why don't we want to break down below 2? Right? So like I said, Wonderfi is related to crypto. So what's the sentiment in crypto right now? If you guys have been paying attention, right? It's kind of bearish. Like if you look at like majority of crypto Twitter and like, if you look at the charts, it looks bearish. But how come this stock isn't making any lower lows and creating a downtrend? I think that could be signaling that this stock is showing strength and it could be wanting to make a move higher. So I see here this trend line that's holding us back, but it looks like we have a hammer candlestick breakout here. So we gapped up and we shot down throughout that day and retested this trend line, and then we came flying back up. If we zoom into the 30-minute, it's easier to see. So we opened, came down, tested the trend line, and then we continued higher throughout the day. I like how we closed with increasing volume on the last trading day. This is a Canadian name, so it might not be open to trade tomorrow, which is the 3rd of January, but I assume it'd be open on the 4th. Double check on that. I'm not 100%. But anyways, I like this hammer candlestick. It's coming out of a range where we should have broke down if you think about the overall crypto sentiment, right? This is a sign, in my opinion. What I want to see is either an inside bar or some sort of continuation breaking out of this little like 235 range, because as you could see, like this right here, whoopsie, has been holding us back for quite a little bit. So if we can kind of like get out of this range right here, 239, 240, I think we might want to go higher. I like overall the trend, right? We come from a low, we make a higher low range. We want to see if we're going to go higher. So that's my idea here on Wndr. Peace, guys.